will finish like at 1 a.m.
My name's Ace, and welcome. I'm gonna do a audio call with my language exchange partner. Alright, let's do this. Hey, how's it going?
40.
Oh, Jesus. Okay.
And I will finish like at 1 a.m.
Oopsies.
Usually me
Alright.
dropping this open.
That should be better. Yeah, no, it almost killed me.
No. Saturday I will have a date.
A date.
This week soon.
Ah.
A date.
I've got. Oh, your friend from Brazil? Or your friend who speaks Portuguese?
No, wait.
Oh.
No, I'm not gonna have. It was supposed to be a joke.
Oh, with yourself. You have a date with yourself.
No.
Oh.
I have a date with projects and studying and.
Basically, you're gonna spend the day studying, is what you're saying, yeah? I'm trying to frame this. I'm so new to filming videos. Like, I don't know how to do this properly. Anyway, I'll figure it out over time.
So you're gonna become a YouTuber, like a vlogger? Or
Yeah, so I'll just be vlogging my life, and hopefully it's not completely boring. Crazy idea. Maybe I can record and do a WhatsApp call on the same thing. So let's try this out. It's working. Puedo decirte lo que estaba haciendo hoy, pero en español esta vez. Hacía una siesta. Fiesta. Una fiesta. Y pues voy a ir a mi curso último del español. Por ejemplo, en una calificación a la universidad normalmente hay 24 cursos dentro de la calificación y es necesario hacer 3 años para completarlos normalmente. Completarlos. Porque yo hago un curso afuera de los semestres normales. Hago un curso en el semestre de verano. Normalmente no es un tiempo. Normalmente el verano es las vacaciones. My socks are dirty. Let me get other socks. We were like 9 a.m. for me, 5 p.m. for you. What are your thoughts on not matching socks? It's gonna be a lot of triggered people out. Porque a la escuela estudié mucho y el año pasado estaba para descansar un poco antes de recomenzar a estudiar duro y trabajar duro. Retomar. Alright, bye. See ya. I'm just gonna say why I'm studying Spanish at the moment. So there are 3 reasons, really. Number 1 reason is that I'm really into languages. Languages is just a passion of mine. It's just a thing I'm into. So it could be any language. At the moment it just happens to be Spanish. I have my reasons for it being Spanish though, and that is because it's spoken so widely, it's spoken all around the world. There are a lot of native speakers of Spanish. And in particular, there are so many different countries and culture which use the Spanish language as their means of communication. For example, so much of Latin America, as well as Spain and other countries around the world, Spanish is spoken there. So by speaking Spanish, you have access to all of those people, as well as all of those cultures. Like I'm doing bachata dance classes at the moment, which that's like a dance style from the Dominican Republic. And what was the third reason? Oh yeah, the third reason is because I've already studied French, so having studied French gives me quite a big leg up into understanding Spanish a bit quicker than if I didn't know French. Alright, so I've got to get out of the house in the next couple of minutes to get to this Spanish class. Got to bring my rain jacket as well as my hat and sunscreen because that's what it's like in Australia. Well, in Melbourne, basically you go outside and you got no idea what the weather's gonna, well, if you're a bit more organised you can probably check the weather plan. I forgot how to say that, but you guys know what I mean. The weather plan, the planned weather, or the predicted weather. Alright, let's get out of here. Quick shot of the kitty cat. Hello! Hello! Oh boy, I'm gonna have to run the rest of the way. Here we go. So this is basically the story of my life. Run for the bus for the scheduled time to find out that the bus isn't going to arrive on time.
Una escándala.
Yes.
Y
No, eso no.
y construyo mi misma. ¿Y por qué muchas veces él
Tengo una manera de pasar el tiempo cuando estabando o cuando esperando. Yo estoy esperando el autobús y lo que hago es que escucho a los podcasts en español.
La verdad es que ya le hemos dado muchas vueltas y tenemos que tomar una decisión ya.
La cuestión es que desde hace más de un año el propietario alquila el piso a turistas por semanas. Cada semana o incluso cada 2 días viene gente.
Pero lo que me gusta el más es de hecho vivir con una persona del país. Es una cosa un poco cansamiento, ¿cómo decirlo?
puede cansar.
Que puede cansar, pero a la vez es una experiencia genial. En esta situación hay la oportunidad de hablar en el idioma todo el tiempo y vivir en la cultura de una manera muy auténtica, y también es una manera de hacerse amigos. So we're all finished up with the Spanish class for today. Alright, so I'm going to catch the tram. I enjoyed the Spanish course. I mean, I improved a lot. I improved quite quickly, which was really nice. My Spanish is a lot better than it was 2 weeks ago. It was 15 hours in total. That is the course. The course in total went for 15 hours. It was 5 different days, 3 hours each day. Yeah, my Spanish really improved, which is fantastic. So my plan for Spanish, now that I've finished the summer intensive at El Patio, is to start doing it at uni in the normal semesters. I want to go into what's called Spanish 5, and obviously do Spanish 6 after that this year. But also I'll keep practicing with Jimena when I can in the morning, and when she can in the afternoon for her. We figured out that there's, I think, a 17-hour difference. So if we do a call, which is 9 a.m. for me and 5 p.m. for her, then we'll be able to, that'll be a mutually convenient time. So that way I'll practice chatting with a native, which is exactly what I reckon makes such a difference. So it's great that that's kind of being set up. What else am I gonna? I'm gonna keep listening to podcasts. I'll keep listening to Spanish podcasts when I'm on public transport, like on the bus or on the train or something like that. And because that's what helped me with French so much, and that's what I reckon will help me so much. Oh, I should cross here. That's what helped me so much with French, so I reckon it will help me with Spanish too. Today was a good day. Coming home from my Spanish class, when I was walking home from my tram stop, I recorded a quick podcast for Aussie English Podcast, and I'm just writing up the transcript right now. I found a really, really cool feature of Google Docs, and what I do to speed up the process of making a transcript is I go to Tools. Hold on. I go to Tools, Voice Typing, and then I go click to speak. And then when I'm speaking, it picks up what I'm saying and it transcribes it for me. So what I do is I play the podcast using my speaker right next to my computer, and I let it transcribe what I'm saying. Like, I just went and had a shower and most of the work's been done for me, which is fantastic. Now I just need to go and format it and add anything which the AI missed and correct mistakes. Sometimes it gets some things wrong, but really it's pretty good. It saves me a hell of a lot of time. So that's pretty awesome. The day's done now. I'll just finish this up, post it up, and then go to sleep. So this should be the end of my first YouTube video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.